I'll read you a section.
Hey yo, what's up dudes? So just check this. I'm listening to this new MARAUDA unreleased, and it just gets me thinking that MARAUDA is a god. He's literally a lot better than us. And I want to show you why. I want to show you exactly why he's good and what we need to think of when we want to step up our game. So check this out. This is some unreleased stuff he showed on his Instagram right away. I just ripped this off Instagram and it sounds like really, really good already. Just ripped off Instagram. So you can tell he's an audio god just by the way he's uploading to IG. And yeah, check this. Yeah, so crazy. Basically, this video was just analyzing this song of his and figuring out all these little secrets that he's doing so that we can apply them to our songs. And honestly, we need to step up our game because he's way ahead of us. And if we want to get ahead of him or get to the festivals, you know, we have to compete with these people, the people that run the game. And if we want our music to actually be heard and actually get views, then we have to compete with these people. So I was listening to all these TEAROUT dubstep tutorials and trying to find these sounds, and they're nowhere on YouTube, that they're nowhere to be found. And even my TEAROUT dubstep tutorials for MARAUDA are just not close to this. So lots of work to do, boys. First, let's check out this. The speed. This feels like a regular dubstep song, but it's not. It's at 125. It's like house BPM. And it took me a while to finally realize and like trust that it was the speed, but it really is. So like, check it out. So this isn't warped at all, right? This clip, I've chopped it up in different little sections, but I started right here on the 1. And if you look, when he plays the first bass, it's just the bass going, like a high-pitched bass, almost like a bark. But I want you to look at this timing. So this one's on time, but you see it like starts to get off time. See? So basically we have a delay in the basses, and that delay is giving us like a better groove, and this is going to be happening a lot throughout this track. But the thing is he's like putting things perfectly on time and then taking things out of time, and we'll see what's in and what's out of time. And if you go to the delay section over here, you would basically just, you know, move them up in milliseconds to change the time in your songs. Okay, let's check out a couple things here. First off, just the dynamic. So there's like silence here. There's not basses going on here. It's like good silence, and then it leads on to basses, right? But instead of just moving straight on to the basses and the kicks and the subs, he gives us a different type of like a bass that doesn't have all the frequencies playing. So listen. Right here, the snare comes at the 3. And also like a higher pitched like layer with this layer. And then if you hear in the background, there's like a synth pitching just riding it through. And please listen to the snare on the 3. Listen how thick and deep and wide it is. You can go through Splice and you're not going to find a snare like that. This is like how he layered his snare, made it thick. It's mean. Now, these fills, listen. Isn't this crazy? We're on 125 right now. Okay, cool. Now, I just want to show you guys to let you know this is on time. See, perfect. Now, if you look at this bass here, look at how delayed it is when it starts. All of these basses are basically delayed. Like nothing's on time when it comes to his basses. Crazy stuff. And then if we listen to at the beginning, the dynamics, like he must be in audio because like ADSR, attack, decay, sustain, release. So like the way the clip is shaped, he, I swear, is like changing it in this little section right here. Right there. It feels like more of a side chain, it's like more of a push and pull. And that sound is like going a little bit more silent in that section, which adds extra dynamics. It's like little secrets, like little throwing in some sauce. Now, this part is crazy. You know, breaking rules is part of music, and I really didn't think he was breaking rules, but yo, look at what he's doing to the sub in this section. But first, I'm going to show you the regular sub. So look, this is the regular sub playing, and then look, this is our tuner. Usually looks like this, but if you go right here and turn it to hertz, we can see. So look, we're on E flat, which is D sharp. E flat is right here, D sharp. So look at how simple the sub is, right? Just E flat, E flat. Oh, it goes up to E. So like he'll bring it up to E and then back down to E flat, right? But then look at this section. He goes regular and then literally just goes hard with the pitch bends. And just, he probably, oh my God, look. Oh, listen to the mix real quick. Now look at what the tuner is picking up. E flat, E flat. Literally just go ham. Go ham. It don't matter. Go ham. I hope you guys are seeing this. Insanity. I didn't even know that you could do this. Yeah, so just remember, guys, break rules. This is at 125. Find your sound. Experiment with sounds. Remember, if we're trying to remake someone's sound, they're just going to have a new sound. And we're just that far behind. So get ahead. Get to work. Let's go. Peace out, guys. Like, subscribe if you want to see more of these things. Otherwise, stay fresh. Peace out. Later.